Okay, here's a continuation of how to use your stick for real fighting on the street. Okay, so again, just to review, all right, I showed you guys that this is the part that hurts, okay? You have to develop your attributes of power, which I'll be showing in a later video, okay? And really how to swing a stick, okay? The next part will be the targets. Now, a lot of people, I want to discuss this concept because a lot of people think that this is how real stick fighting is, okay? If you've been in a real stick fight, you've been in actual fights that have weapons, you see everything you've trained for, basically not really applicable, okay? It's good that you train and you do full contact, but you have to understand this is what happens in the street, okay? Now, all combat is all deception. Ang daming traidor, daming gago. So don't expect it na one-on-one kayo na gaganon-ganon ka pa, may time ka may ganyan ka pa, okay? Hindi ganon, okay? Real fighting is okay? Don't expect different. Alright, so anyway, let's go to Mike. Okay, now, when we're here, let's say for example Mike, right foot forward, Mike, just stick up like this, okay? Now, one of the basic things that you do here, okay, is you have to get the hand and then the head, alright? If you get the head first, fine, okay? But there's a problem here. Sometimes if I get his head, if I get his head, okay, he also gets my head. Alright? So I'm going to show you guys a time-tested, battle-proven technique, okay? Now, I don't like playing here, okay? There's too many variables. You might be better, faster, more polished, okay? And I want to put him in a range where I'm the one who is has the advantage. Just like in MMA or in any combat art, you put somebody in the range of your techniques where you're better at that. Okay, so we're here. All right, so let's say we're here. Okay, maybe I'm going to hit the hand, or I just come in and I go and trap this hand. Okay. Very, very easy, right? Okay, now what's going to happen here is this, remember that strike I showed you a while ago? Just going to keep, even if he does this, okay, go. Don't block first, okay? I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to go down. Going down like this, boom, okay? Now once he puts his hand up this way, all right? See it? Of course he's going to block, right? Boom, okay? As soon as he blocks, I do this. Okay? That gives me one beautiful one. Boom. Okay, again, review that one more time. Okay, so from here, okay, let's say I can do it this way, I can come in and go, okay, or I can hit and go. There's no specific technique. What matters is I get this, okay? Now, of course, he's going to be struggling in everything. I'll show that later on, okay? So from here, I just keep whacking him, boom, boom, boom. I'm waiting for him to block. As soon as he blocks, okay, my hand shoots in, okay? My hand shoots in here. Now I have this. Boom! Then I keep going. Okay, don't have to duck, Mike. I'm not going to hit you. Don't worry. Okay? So that's one way that you can use stuff on the street. Okay, now look at this. A lot of people, when they get here, they don't know what to do. Okay? A lot of stick fighting tournaments, as soon as they get here, you're here doing nothing. Okay? Of course, you have your elbows, you have your stick, you have this, okay? But what we do is we do jiu-jitsu at that range. We do wrestling and jiu-jitsu, okay? We just adapt it to the stick. I'll be showing you that in another video, how to actually grapple with sticks. Now, what is grappling with sticks? Does it mean when I practice jiu-jitsu, I'm gonna have doing an arm bar with a stick and everything? Yes, at first, but you never do that in the street. If I'm grappling with him with sticks, can you imagine what his friend's gonna do to me? Okay, I'm dead. All right, so let's go back to the multiple opponents. Okay, can I borrow you, Jason? Okay, we're here. Okay, just the same thing. Remember the multiple opponents. Okay, now what's gonna happen is if I'm too concentrated on Mike, boom, boom, look what happens. Okay, so what happens here is I have to make sure that I don't really concentrate too much on one person, because if I do, I get smashed, okay? I'll show you guys a little secret, okay? This worked for me before. Okay, so from here. Now, while everybody's doing this, okay, I'm gonna strike this way. Look at the way I'm gonna strike, okay? I'm going to do that. Okay, you see it? I'm going to do that. Okay, just like that. All right, now people think that it's not hard. It's not a hard strike. Okay, if I hit the bag, the camera will hit the bag.
Follow here.
Yeah, just follow me real quick.
Okay.
So I'm going to hit someone this way. See it? It's still the same thing. Okay, now what I do there, because people see this, okay, and I don't want to do this. Okay, let's say I had Mike again. Okay, look at the range I have here. Okay, as soon as I get here, boom, that's when I go. Okay, I make sure I beat him once. Boom, oops, sorry. Okay, I beat him once. Okay, okay, you see it? Once I beat him and he tries to come back out, boom, right? But I've already got him, right? And the same thing when it comes to the racing, okay? I can get his hand, kick, okay? All right, so you have to make sure that, again, we hit with the tip, always the tip, okay? And I don't commit. So as soon as I'm here, boom, Mike is gonna strike me, I'm up, Ray's gonna strike me, I'm already out, okay? As defense, I'm never gonna go, wah! And then I get beaten up by Rayson. That's the worst possible thing to happen. Okay, so same thing again with multiple opponents in the stick. Okay, I just showed you some tricks that you can use also. All right. Now, if you notice, I'm doing side kicks. Okay, so as soon as this happens, I do a side kick, boom, then I come back out. Yeah. Okay. Another thing you can do when someone's trying to chase you. Okay, slowly. Okay, slowly walk to me. Okay, go, come on, go. Just do that. Okay, as you're going back, just keep doing that. Okay, they won't be able to get you. And as soon as your stick hits something, reverse it right away. For example, okay, hold your stick this way, Grayson. So I was doing this, right? Boom, boom, boom. As soon as my stick hits something, boom, I go on the other side right away. Okay, so these are just some techniques I just like to share, and some concepts. We'll be doing a lot more as we go to other videos. All right, thank you very much.